If you're not having any problems finding these products, skip this video now. Otherwise, stick around and see how PSC is changing an industry one click at a time. Whether you're an equipment operator, truck driver, vehicle owner, or an industrial manufacturer, the ordering process is fast and simple. We carry over 4,000 products from industry-leading brands. On our website, you can easily navigate all products with real-time pricing and no hidden fees. We've been in business since 1930 because we've always done things a bit differently. We utilize our decades of experience with the latest technology to make the purchasing process easier than ever before. We manage all of our order processing and customer service right here in our state-of-the-art facility in northeastern Pennsylvania. Our customer service team has over 100 years of combined experience and can assist you via chat, email, or by calling our toll-free number.
Thanks to our online platform, we're able to stock an extensive line of products.
From motor oils and greases to coatings and race fuels, we're always expanding our inventory. On our website, you have instant access to manuals, technical data sheets, tutorials, as well as pricing. You can compare products to find what best fits your application. Our logistics department has built relationships with our freight carriers to provide you the best on-time delivery service. Our dedicated warehouse staff ensures that you get all your products in a timely and secure manner. And real-time product shipping updates allows you to know where your products are and when you can expect them. We ensure that when the product arrives, all expectations are met. At PSC, customer satisfaction is our #1 priority.